Yeah. People will watch our live while we're doing this stuff because they love
Live can be you can have subscribers when
In live.
In live up to 20 million.
Or 20K.
Jinx onward.
Or 20K. That's my phobia. This is my phobia.
You know what's my
What's your phobia?
No. Fire.
Fire. Why fire? Why fire?
I don't know my phobia.
Your own phobia? Something that you're scared of. But that's not even true. Like fear of heights.
Analog.
Lava.
No, analog. No, analog. Analog.
What's
Analog SpongeBob analog. Like it's just it just got animated, but I'm still scared. Analog SpongeBob.
What?
SpongeBob analog.
Is that even true?
Look, search it.
Okay, after the video. After we make a bubble. What is Marvin gonna do?
Bubble?
So he can make a bubble with us.
Spicy. Y'all know Pack God?
What people will say, what's Pack God?
You don't know Pack God? Pack God's a great roaster. He's very good at roasting.
Everybody, if you roast Pack God, he will kill you. Because he's
He'll roast you back. Don't roast Pack God. He's the king.
The king of roast.
If you even try, you'll get roasted. Don't you even see his videos?
Yeah, don't you? He's like the alpha. He's the alpha.
Sigma.
He's the alpha of the. You heard that?
It like popped.
Guys, this is how you make like a bubble, but
Smushed
you
it.
see this? Then you put it in the table. And okay, then you do like it doesn't have sound.
This is how to make it fart. Just
Oh,
like
this is how you make it fart. Look, Liam. This is how you make it fart. You see this? When you're like gonna make a bubble and you put it in the floor, tapos you